Pero mahirap yun kapag bata kasi.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi pag bata ka, gusto mong mag-enjoy, mag-explore.
That's what it is. And that's what being young is all about, right?
Yeah, correct.
But then again, like I said, tulad ako natatakot akong si Arvin pumunta sa Pilipinas. Kasi number one,
Bakit?
it's a culture change talaga to. Dito siya lumaki, di ba?
Okay
Right?
lang yung Pilipino naman siya, 100%
Pero
Filipino.
nung pumunta siya doon, nagustuhan niya talaga.
Okay,
Siya
that's
naman,
good.
oh dad, you know what? Pero kagabi kinausap ako. Sabi niya, dad, you know, I'm scared a little bit, but for me, it's also a challenge.
Okay.
And I think it's going to be, kumbaga everything is new, but it's also an adventure for me. So sabi ko, sige, good. Pagigihan mo yan. Di
That's
ba?
good.
Oo, di ba? Oo.
Actually, maganda. Imagine, meron siyang
Oo.
parents na
Oo.
nagsusustento, di ba?
Oo.
I mean, I
oo.
will be like, I will be grateful for
Yeah,
that opportunity.
yeah, they know.
Kasi I didn't get that opportunity
Ako
when I was
din,
growing
ako
up.
din.
I wouldn't say growing up, when I was young.
Yeah, ako din.
Kasi I was a working student.
Oo, ako
I
din.
have to, pay for the
Oo,
rent, pay
oo.
for my food, for my
Oh,
groceries.
wala. Pambili nga ng jeans. Kailangan. Naku,
Diba?
hindi nyo lang alam talaga. Ako, I grew, hindi naman kasi kami mayaman. Di ba talagang I have to work on what I have nung bata ako.
Yeah.
Sobra.